Dave Matthews for Champion Trading Corporation. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a laboratory size. It's about a 5-gallon total capacity mixer emulsifier. So it has a scraper agitator and a homogenizer. It's made by Xinghu Chemical Machinery of China. Take you through the panel, and we're operating it right now on 220 3-phase voltage. It has a self-contained heating system, which you see operating here. This is the temperature controller. It has a small immersion heater, which runs a little recirculating system through the jacket. And you can put the heating on and off. He's here. It has these are the controls for the emulsifier, which is the mixer you hear working right now. We're going to turn that off. Additionally, all the mixers do run through AC frequency controllers. And the controls are right here, one for the homogenizer, as you can see, and one for the other mixer. The homogenizer is here, and you'll hear it cut. And it's reaching up to full speed right now inside the unit. It has an onboard vacuum pump, and we're going to show that to you right now. I'll turn on the vacuum pump, and you'll see the gauge. We have all the valves closed, and with the vessel in the closed position, it's pulling itself up to full vacuum right now. My Chinese is a little rusty, so it is about almost full vacuum, and then actually the gauge actually shows sub-vacuum, and you can see there you are, full vacuum. And that turns off here. Now the unit also lifts up hydraulically, so we're going to break the vacuum first over here on this valve, which is one of the open areas. And okay, just while we're up here too, this is just a little inlet they have here with a filter on it. There's a small loading port if you need to add ingredients during process. This has a filter in it, and it's ported underneath here with some small holes, so if you need to let air in and you want to make sure that air is filtered. Around this side of the vessel, of course, you're going to see a small sight glass, which this has right here. And there's also on the opposing side a illuminated sight glass, which has a light built onto it. You'll see running right now. We're going to show you, going to raise the unit up, give you a good look at the agitator. You can stop it at any point in the process, or just leave it alone. It'll run its full cycle to the maximum up position. And while we're here, in addition to having a center bottom discharge on the vessel, it also has the ability to tilt, should you need to do that. You can see the homogenizer right here in the bottom. It's a 3-arm homogenizer. I'm just going to turn it on for a second. You do want to run those things in water mostly, but going to turn it up for a second. Of course, you see it has Teflon scrapers all around, and it does have little wings in here which kind of have a counter-rotating effect as well. We have this unit in our stock. You'll see that under homogenizers, under kettles, agitated, and you can see all the kettles we do have in stock. So I hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.